Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Sarvabhatan, and this is Dr. Jane Bowser, and we are here to show you the three best stretches that you can do if you've been getting the Zoomies and you've been on the Zoom calls 27 hours a day, like we've been, and helping people along as we help people in the COVID-19 times. But the three best stretches that we have for you is, let's say if you're on the computer and you want to do it on the go, you take about 40-45 minutes of your call or your appointment and you need a stretch. The first best stretch that you can start off with is your cervical spine stretch. You want the cervical spine to get more upright because you're going to be sitting forward. By the 40-45 minute, you'll be slouching. And so the best way you can do that is you have the one hand in the back of the head and then the other hand coming at the chin like this. And the aim is to create more cervical extension, like so, and lengthening your spine as if you're elevating and getting some extra height. And so you're pulling up with the back hand and you're pressing in with your right hand, and you're trying to get some stretch in the back of the head. And this is a very nice suboccipital release right here, which is the muscle that gets tight when you're sitting with the head slightly forward and staring at the screen. The second good stretch is to create more rotation in your thoracic spine. So I'll ask Jane to back up a little and scoot at the edge of the chair, and then turn your body and sort of hug the back of the chair, and then you're sort of pulling with the left arm and just creating a little bit more tension and allowing the spine and the lower back and thoracic spine to open up and get a nice stretch. The stretch, you can do it on both sides, and you're holding it about 5 to 10 seconds, just kind of giving a nice pull. Remember, the stretch doesn't have to be an intense, severe stretch. You want about mild to moderate stretch, and you do that maybe 3 or 4 times, and that's more than enough. The third best stretch that we would like for you to know is the hip flexor tightness, because you're sitting for that long, so obviously you do want to get up. And so, Jane, if you don't mind, you can come up, and we'll show you the hip flexor stretch. So you're taking a nice lunge, and you're holding that position, and you do want your back foot to stay planted. So if you were to come back a little bit more, yes, and keep that heel down, and you're getting a very nice stretch on the hip flexor. This is where you want it to be targeted. You will at the same time get some stretch on the calf, which is a bonus, and then you can switch that. Again, stretching recommendation, remember, it's got to be about mild to moderate stretch, not a severe, and you hold it about 5 to 10 seconds, okay? How does that feel, Jane?
Better.
Okay, quite cool. Well, that was our little Zoomies video. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know, or else it was great following.